Okay, so we're going to make sausage gravy, and you cook the sausage, and you should have quite a bit of grease left. You have to have grease or oil to make the gravy. So, I don't know if you can see it here, but you can see there's a substantial amount of oil. And I actually did add a little bit of vegetable oil to it because it was a leaner type of sausage. So, if I really get crazy with edits, I may fast forward this part. But you just make sure your sausage is good and brown. There's no pink left in it. Then you get some flour. First you make sure your hands are clean. Just get you a handful of flour and you kind of put it on there. And I make sure pretty much all the sausage is coated with flour. So you kind of, if you don't have sausage, you can just do oil, and bacon grease is really good too if you make bacon gravy. But you're just gonna, and it'll get really dry. That flour will soak up the oil, and so I just pretty much make sure I don't have any oil left. Just make sure the sausage coats the flour coats the sausage or whatever. And then you're ready to add your milk. And doing this with one hand. So you go ahead and you pour your milk in. Just pour about that much in. Of course, I love to add pepper to mine. I never add salt because this sausage has got lots of sodium in it already. Don't need to make it any worse than it already is. So go ahead and just get any kind of pepper that you want. Or you can do no pepper, but I like to do pepper in mine, so I just, you can see the pepper in there, put a lot of pepper in there. And my heat is, I don't know, 3/4 away from being on high. This is the first thing Nanny taught me how to make over the phone. After I moved down, I made this for some friends. Actually, me and another girl, I think it was Paula, we wanted to impress some boys and make them some biscuits and gravy, and I don't think either one of us knew how to make it. So you just stir it. I actually kind of like to use a wooden spoon. You get something that won't melt because you're going to be stirring a lot. And you just keep stirring it, and then it'll eventually start thickening up. And if it doesn't thicken up, then you need to make like a little flour oil combination to thicken it up. Which I'll have to explain that to you some other time. But if you can see, it's still pretty runny, but it's thickening up. See how that's doing? So you see it thickening up. And if it's too thick, then you just add more milk to it. Make your biscuits and you're set. As it sits, it will start getting thicker. So if you're still waiting on your biscuits and you realize that it's really thick, not a problem. Just add a little bit more milk to it. And I always want to add just tiny amounts. You don't want to put too much in there because then it could be runny. And you don't want that. And that's it. That's gravy. That's how to make gravy.